Or I can score 5,000 in the game and then just double up my coins after I crash.
Yeah, but how do you do that?
So it should have something where after you die, you can double up your coins.
But you said a 10,000K run. How you do a 10,000K run? Okay.
Ma'am?
We'll talk again in a little bit. Go finish eating.
Okay.
Okay. Good morning. It is day 11. I think today is Thursday. And I've been up for about maybe 30 minutes now. I actually slept in a little bit. I was tired. I still am tired. But symptoms for today are tiredness, congestion still. My back still hurts, but I'm okay today. Yesterday I just slept most of the day. After I got my kids straight, I slept for the most of the day. And my oldest son, bless his little heart, he's been really helping me. I didn't have to go out of my room. My baby made me food to eat, and he put it by the door and all of that. So we kind of got a little system going on. I think he low-key like, taking care of mommy. So I think that's pretty cool. So now I'm about to get up, wash my face, and brush my teeth and stuff. And they should be knocking on the door soon because I hear them upstairs playing ball. So they should be knocking on the door soon for breakfast. So we're about to get myself together, and then if they're not up, I'm gonna go make some warm water and salt and gargle because my throat is a little agitated right now. And I'm gonna make some more tea because I don't want him making the tea. I don't want him messing with that hot tea like that. And yeah, guys, we're gonna rest again today because rest has been my friend. So see you guys in a little bit. Okay, so my boys are still asleep, so I have time to make me some tea and some water for my throat to gargle with. I don't know what I'm gonna have for breakfast. I might just have like a little breakfast bowl or something. But yeah, let's make some tea and sanitize and hurry up and get out the kitchen before they get up. Excuse me. So I got my breakfast and everything together, and now I'm about to, let me show you guys the vitamins that I'm currently taking. I'm taking this emergency elderberry. I don't know if this is good or not, as far as like the emergency elderberry, but this is all that my uncle could have found at the time, so I just told him to bring me some elderberry. And then I'm also taking these Vitafusion women's one-a-day vitamins. So I take 2 of these and 3 of the elderberries, and this is what I've been taking for about a week or so every morning. So I'm gonna take those, but before I take that, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna gargle with this salt water mixture that I made just to kind of help soothe my throat. My grandmother used to make us do this all the time when we was little, and it used to work. So I had to take a break in between clean because okay. I'm gonna just do that a few more times, take my vitamins, eat, and I'm gonna go get back in the bed, and I will see you guys a little later. Y'all watching this Fatal Affair movie on Netflix with Omar Epps and Nia Long, and man, it's some crazy stuff here. So I'll be like, man, dating ain't, and they not even dating. This shit weird. Y'all should watch it, it's good. Okay guys, so today really didn't consist of much. I've just pretty much been in the bed all day. It is raining terribly here. So we've just been in, well, I've just been in the bed all day, just kind of resting, you know, staying up on my liquids and my teas and my orange juice, and my son made me some soup for lunch. So he made me some soup, and he has been a tremendous help. Like my little one, he keeps coming to the door, but I can't you know, go out there and talk to him. So I've been talking to him through the door and stuff like that. But my oldest has been really my little champ, even though, but he always is. So yeah guys, we're gonna go ahead and end this vlog for today because there's really nothing going on. I was supposed to get my oxygen reader as well as my thermometer in the mail today, but I guess it didn't come yet. So I hopefully will be able to show you guys that tomorrow and how it works and all of that good stuff. So stay safe guys, take care of yourselves, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye.